Hello, and welcome to a walkthrough of our new outbreak reporting form. To begin, please navigate your web browser to the web address shown here. This will take you to the SharePoint page. On the SharePoint page, there are two options to submit the outbreak reporting form. One as a DPPA and DPO field mission, and a second as a non-mission location. Completing the form through either of these routes will follow this same process. For today's walkthrough, we will be completing the form as a DPO field mission. To begin, please click to go to the form. When you first land on the outbreak reporting form, you will have two options: to add a new outbreak or to update an existing outbreak. For today's example, we will begin with adding a new outbreak. Of key importance is to note that in the upper right-hand corner throughout the form, you may notice these little blue buttons with yellow highlighting that will, when clicked, will provide a pop-up with some additional instructions and/or examples that you might find helpful as you complete the form. Let us add a new outbreak. On the outbreak reporting form itself, first you will select the disease type of the outbreak you are reporting. Under the first header for current status, you will complete a series of questions beginning with first a summary or narrative of the outbreak and what you are seeing. This will include some details about when the first case first became symptomatic, how many actual cases and/or lab confirmed cases, probable or suspect cases you have identified, the total number of contacts, and of key importance is some details about the geographical location of where the outbreak is occurring, for example, here in New York City. Additionally, toward the end, there are some additional questions about the personnel who are affected and what specific contingent or office they might be affiliated with. Please complete as many details as are available to you. As you continue, there are three main headers for common factors amongst identified cases, potential source or outbreak, origin, and control measures that have been taken or will be taken. Each of these sections has an annex button, again in the upper right corner highlighted with yellow, that when clicked will provide some additional examples of things to consider as you complete that portion of the form. Once you have completed all sections of the form, at the very bottom, you will notice there is a blue Submit button. Clicking on the blue Submit button will send your report into DMOSH. Upon successful transmission of your report, you will notice a green checkbox that will pop up providing you the outbreak ID. It is very important to write down your outbreak ID, as you will need this ID to re-access this record at a later time should you wish to edit or update any of the variables. Once you've written that down, go ahead and click OK. And that will actually take you back to the outbreak reporting form. If you are back on the home page, to click Update Existing Reports, this will list for you all the outbreaks that are currently active, or you can toggle this button to show only the ones that are active and hide all the ones that have been closed or resolved. Clicking back in to one of the outbreaks that we've just completed will bring you back to the form, and if you click on the little pencil icon in the upper right corner, it will open the outbreak again for you to make any edits. Once the outbreak investigation has concluded, you can mark the outbreak status to inactive, indicating that the outbreak has concluded and your investigation is done. Thank you.